In this video, we are going to see method of variation of parameters to find out the particular integral of the second order linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So this is the second order linear differential equation which is written over here, d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to f of x. I am calling this as equation 1. Now in the first step, as usual, we are going to find the complementary function, that is we are going to find the CF, and we are going to write this CF in this form: C1 y1 plus C2 y2, where y1 and y2 are two linearly independent solutions of this equation 1. So first step is you have to find the CF in the usual way. Now in the second step, this is something new. We are going to calculate one entity called W. W is called the Wronskian of y1 and y2. Okay, and this is given by this determinant y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. So W is called, this is called Wronskian of y1 and y2. So in the third step, what we will do is we are going to calculate two more entities. U1 is equal to minus integration y2 into f of x divided by w dx, and then we will calculate u2 is equal to integration y1 into f1x divided by w dx. Okay, and in the last step we will get the pi. Pi is equal to, over here, pi is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2, and then finally we will write the complete solution. Complete solution is y is equal to CF plus pi. So this is the method of variation of parameters for finding out the particular integral of the second order linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So in the method of variation of parameters, what you have to do, first to find the CF as usual, then write the CF as C1 y1 plus C2 y2. Please refer to the earlier videos for the methods of finding out the CF. Then in the second step, you will calculate Wronskian of y1 and y2, which is the determinant y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. Then you will calculate two more entities. U1 is equal to minus integration y2 fx divided by w dx. U2 is equal to integration of y1 into fx divided by w dx. And so we will get the pi as u1 y1 plus u2 y2. And finally we have to write the complete solution, y is equal to CF plus pi. Now we will see the supporting example. So you have to solve by the method of variation of parameters this given differential equation. So we will just write it as usual in this form: d square plus 1y is equal to cosec x. Now the CF of this equation is C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. So please do go back to the video on the complementary functions and just once again see why this is the CF of the particular differential equation. Now in this case, since we have found out this, we have to rearrange it in that form: C1 y1 plus C2 y2. So over here, this term, this coefficient of C1 we are going to call it as y1, and this coefficient of C2 we are going to call it as y2. So we will write over here, therefore y1 is equal to cos x and y2 is equal to sin x. So after we get this y1 and y2, then we are going to calculate the Wronskian of y1 and y2, which is given by this formula y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash, and this is equal to, obviously y1 dash y2 dash are the derivatives of y1 and y2. So over here we will write cos x sin x, then derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of sin x cos x. And if we solve this determinant, so this is cos square x plus sin square x, which is equal to 1. So the value of w comes out to be equal to 1. W is equal to 1. Now we are going to calculate the value of u1 and u2. So u1 equals to minus integration y2 fx divided by w dx. So this is equal to minus integration. Now y2 is sin x into cosec x dx divided by 1, and this is nothing but minus integration. See, cosec x is 1 upon sin x, so that will cancel out and we'll just be left with 1 dx. So this is equal to minus x. So the value of u1 comes out to be minus x. Now we will calculate the value of u2. So u2 is equal to integration cos x, right? See, value of u2 is y1 into fx divided by w. So cos x into fx, that is cosec x dx divided by 1, which is nothing but integration cot x dx, which is equal to cos upon sin. So this is equal to log of sin x. And now we are going to find the pi. Pi is equal to, what did we say it was? Pi is equal to u1 y1 plus u2 y2. So this is equal to, now over here we have found out u1 is equal to minus x. So minus x cos x plus u2 we found out as log sin x into y2 is sin x. So plus sin x into log sin x, and that is the CF. So therefore that is the PI. So therefore the complete solution is now given by y is equal to, what is the CF? C1 cos x plus C2 sin x, okay, minus x cos x plus sin x into log sin x. So this is how we have solved the sum by making use of method of variation of parameters.